enya pensono ya kra de say na oni bibi something yeme na kakra. Is it true say the real Ghana man or pese Ghana e change na or pese Ghana e koso and I say no na you just talk ya no ene ye deka because had you me am tuwe me papa we bruchiru and so you pay me school fees that because Ghana mantem scanner sem papa de ba no amantem minim say saa so na wo kura na wo ma me ton koko wo so ye pam school fees wo ma me abre enye scanner ma okura de ekotu school fees no yes koto series bi book one koto to your extra classes isika when 20 no yeah my own back class near pamon. It happened in Ghana. And all these times Ghanaians saw say education will be sorry and ankamiko school ni bia and ankamiko school ni bia and ankam Ghana for what do we really want? Yeah sure say sabi yeah sure hamashia kra na ye de ni be di ade Ghana on faili. What do Ghanaians really want? Because I remember time I need a excruciating way amount, huge sums of amount, breaking your minimum businesses just to get education. Now OBS one say education the man ko bintio na me school man ko ntia na nka me ko school and say wo promise je na o ginadwom me say na me nim ade nka papa no de me ko school nka papa no de me ko school Ghana for nka papa no de wo ko school after they had the muko school here, Daddy, yeah, me, accommodate. I didn't ya. Well, sir, MPP 8 years, or Moncona NDC, Brana. Mr. Chairman in Menes Kenny Bina. Chairman is at least, yeah, weekend be a or 50 or brave 50 Ghana. Is And you know the funny thing, and it says, Sister Cynthia, when you go to Ghana, and you see the amount of money they used to buy these people it's so sad. When you see the amount I demo where you demonstration did now. Ojunu say na ntimi call demonstration will be to ade na panel ball many above for 50 Ghana. Are you kidding me? Bingo, big up yourself. Me say ebre ba Ghana na ye pamu school fees yanya ye papa no abruchire na ye de aba to ye so pamu your school fees na aban bi aba. Madam Raul, welcome. Na or the free education aba na dia ema me hu say Ghana is in a big danger and say journalist no and I say presenter no and you happy FM and we presented it. You can't say free education ye free no or say oh na me so some bakobi o no say sa obakobi or say I or say na niama obetua no be wie na okeka ko 2000 e na Kofi Akpalu ebisa ne say enti no say 2000 years say wotua picture say minim say SSM say term no minim say do 30 million yeta but it is around that mark 3000 Ghana enti picture say wotua prospectus on 2000 other pocket money my the provisions ne niama no eno ne de say no na ya na nkan yi de obeto ama abekudi de no ye de auto ama abekudi eno ne mai enti picture say utu ya sa fees no 3000 no Ghana no na wa sign so akope another 3000 Ghana na wodi bi aye provisions wodi bi aye ne prospectus na e bia wodi bi ato ni school bag de bi ato ni school books kekani ni na abom na hwa ahia abenya. Why are we so ungrateful? And we will continue to suffer with wicked leaders because the leaders have weighed us out and have seen say most of the population's mentality is about what they will eat today, not building for the future. And the best thing to win such population is to be a populist. Monshe di Akufo-Addo ye chia yeba yebe ye yeba ye o de ne ba onu so abedidi 8 years so a osimo fa Akufo-Addo nkrofo no so mra omo so mumedidi 8 years ba na wo no wo de ane say mombo na o say we so ne power mahama debi idebi yo debi wo de ane no na waji t-shirt kurasi ni Jimmy waji t-shirt utia ye 25 kilo of rice Ni ama fried tobacco. Utiye ya na ye delay mackerel. One ye ready there near oba tampa. Eno na abere. Utia ye ya ye so de why ye campaign no ema na akoyia pa akoyia ma wo de wo campaign akoyie no ene apia stadium why ye yie no no utie why ye we jimi wa campaign mu edidi atemedi nkwase asema fa akira akopa chow ni na awie no aha why ye ya ne apia stadium and you think say your destiny is how apia stadium is. You don't think say Apia Stadium you nipa all right, but you don't think say you can be better than Apia Stadium. And the only way you can be better than Apia Stadium is by doing something Apia Stadium is not doing. MPP beko na NDC aba. Uya mi zoo, uya mi za, uya mi za, uya mi zoo, zoo zaza, meow meow. No mashishe ye t-shirt. Red, white, and black. Ni edidim. No contribution, no chop. No contribution, no chop. Ni ejinem na samamoni e shetai. Me can walk on. Yama 50 Ghana. Last obi aduane odi besi wo hu. Sika na ye de man no wode ni na awie aduane na nso akodu fie. Of course you demonstration we kura anko yie. Would ya wusi free education no. We you be a sebe enye ye nina na ye nimu ade. Untumi nkobi. It is okay. Yambo ye nina say ye doctors o. Ene yambo ye nina say ye lawyers. Na se ye nina ye doctor, me ka say ya hwan ne be fix ya mame. Se ye nina ye nurse fo a. Se mi pia kobo mi show. Na me pa atade akwa hwan ne be pama mame. Se me pe gudi agumi komu na se ye nina kokoye lawyer fo a hwan ne be design se gudie ni na me de agumi komu obi ane ne position enunti aban ne se same time memorial vocational schools for enam niam amototo nti no madesua den technical school for and akoto box iron and akoto pliers and akoto thermometer and akoto thermostat and akoto AutoCAD and akoto hwan and I can't believe Ghanaians have forgotten all these things so soon. I have been in Canada for 22 years and I still remember these things. I remember Brother Eric Odoy, I remember was in the same a cappella group with him when he used to go to my friend is saying ITC or say EMT or say then they work on technical school be on side ho na omo koho sometimes he just a tester near the idea you gotta buy now what they are called now what was here go to your school fees. Hey Ghana na nde nyankopon adawroma yandwene ye ne ayenimu buku nko ahu dabi adu premai adu showboy adu the best president adu nobody adu only that day adu adu one wa adu nobody defeat you adu God is your savior, God is your help, adu God is your baba uni I swear by the end of your tenure the whole Ghanaians will know say we have tried so many hands. Nana Akufo-Addo is the transformational leader we were looking for. Sankaye ni na adwene bie. And anke ye jai politics jimie no.